Hello everybody, excuse my appearance. We haven't been out of the house in a week because Paul has been sick, but something just came in the mail. Let's open it. Okay, so if you guys watched my recent vlog of our trip in Hong Kong, we bought some Space Mollies, and these are the keychain cases that we were talking about. Look at how cute. Nakaganito pa siya, naka-pouch. Tada! This is 100. I paid 109 pesos. Hindi, walang shipping to eh. Free shipping. Ganito yung tsura niya guys. Oh. Tada! Tapos, ang laman niya sa loob. How do we open this? How did we open this? You opened this. Okay, si Paul yung magbubukas. Okay, ayan, natanggal na siya ni Paul. Ganito siya. It's an acrylic case or plastic case for your Space Mollies because we just got our first Space Mollies when we went to Hong Kong, and this is one of them. This is from Series 2, I think. Ito yung Coke. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan eh. Pero yan siya, Coca-Cola. Tapos, itong case na nabili ko ngayon, meron na siyang space for the gun. Ayan, sakto siya sa likod, pero parang sa harap hindi. Okay. Ay, ang galing. Okay. There. So, ganito siya. Like, super protected. Tapos, nandun na yung gun. Nasa loob na. Huwag nyo ikakabit sa kamay na. Ikabit nyo dun sa case, tas isara nyo, magsushoot siya mag-isa dun sa kamay. Tapos, meron din tong kasamang chain here. Kakabit mo lang siya dito sa ulo. Tada! Keychain na siya. Super cute. Tapos, super protected nung Molly. Kasi may parang hinge siya dito sa baba. So, hindi siya bubuka sa ilalim. Tapos, mahuhulog yung Molly. Ang opening na dito sa taas, which is secured by the chain. Tapos, ayun nga, this is our second because we have two. Yung isa in order sa amin ni Alex. And ibang klase naman siya. So, nagulat din ako. Sabi ko, nasaan yung lalagyan ng gun? Kasi, yung unang binili sa amin nila Alex, yung pinsan ni Paul, nakasama namin sa Hong Kong, was like this. Ayan, meron siyang sariling lalagyan ng gun. Tapos yung kamay na dito, normal lang. O, hindi nakakabit yung gun, kaya may ganito. Ito, para mas maganda to. Kasi at least na feature din and model din yung gun. Ikabit natin sa bag and let's see how they look. Okay, so this is the first one. This is my everyday bag. As you can see, medyo madumi. Pero ayan, pwede mo na siyang dalhin anywhere. Tapos, ito yung isa on another bag. Super cute. We are so excited. So, hindi na lang sila pang bahay. Pwede mo na silang ilabas ng bahay. These are so cute.